Om Swastiastu.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
May peace be upon us. Good evening dan selamat malam.
Konbanwa, wansanghao, annyeonghaseyo. That's all we can say from the Google Translate.
So good evening one more time, ladies and gentlemen.
And allow us to greet our VIPs in this evening. Welcome to Peninsula Island at Nusa Dua, precisely at the ITDC. And of course, we are here for the cultural dinner of the 16th Asia Pacific Congress of Pediatrics in conjunction with the NIN's annual scientific meeting of the Indonesian Pediatric Society and the 6th Asia Pacific Congress of Pediatric Nursing.
And thank you for gathering at this marvelous location and grand setting. Both of us are the master of ceremonies for this cultural dinner. So let us introduce ourselves. My name is Arnold Warm.
And I am Nirmala Trisna. We both feel very honored to take part in this beautiful setting. And gathering here, look around you. It's such a grand setting. The organizing committee has put so much effort to gather more than 3,000 delegates. Yes, more than 3,000.
I actually checked, it was 3,250 people tonight.
Okay, if you don't believe him, you can count for yourself. Of course, we very appreciate that you are here trying to update, to get the updated approach, all the treatments, and also medicines in the pediatric world. So on behalf of parents and the children, thank you, doctors.
A round of applause for everybody. One more time, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for just being here with everybody tonight. And yes, indeed, you are all here attending Congress and scientific meetings in Bali, one of the world's best island. Probably you've heard Bali Island more than once in your life. And I know that everybody is excited to be here. So as our welcome gesture to everyone, we are going to present a dance. It is actually a welcoming dance and a form of prayer before we begin an event tonight,
Yes.
Nirmala. So, wishing everyone tonight the very best. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome, this is Maha Puja Dance.
Smoothly.
And Nirmala, I love that tonight is about culture, so everyone is just coming dressed up in a traditional outfit, and everybody just look amazing tonight.
Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished delegates, now we are going to invite the chairman of the 9th annual scientific meeting of Indonesian Pediatric Society 2018 to deliver his welcome remarks. Please welcome to the stage Dr. Igusti Lanang Sidiarta, MD, Pediatric Consultant. And we are going to announce the third winner of the poster presentation.
So ladies and gentlemen, the third winner, third place,
Please be invited to the stage once we call your name.
top of the poster presentation award. This is the first place, the winner, who is the lucky person.
Well, not lucky actually. She's been preparing this very hard. And I mentioned she, it means it's a female.
It's a female. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome, this is the winner of the poster presentation. Please welcome Dr. Igusti Ayu Trisna Windiani, Pediatrician Consultant in Sangla Hospital and Udayana University.
Doctors who are already on stage, Dr. Aman, Dr. Aryono, and also Dr. Lanang to accompany presenting the awards to the recipients of 2018 Outstanding Asian Pediatrician Award. And we give our appreciation to the pediatricians who are representing the chapters of Indonesia Pediatric Society, dressed in their respective traditional costumes. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. You are just showing how rich the culture of Indonesia and how every area of Indonesia they got something very special, and they're not the same. Nirmala, just look at them. No one's the same. Everybody dressed up in this majestic and beautiful outfit, but then they are just different.
Colorful and glamorous. And I'm sure everyone knows, Indonesia is one of the largest archipelagic states with about 300 ethnic groups that speaks about, in total, 700 local dialects.
700 local dialects.
Yeah.
So that's 700 languages, ladies and gentlemen. If you like to learn more about Indonesia, you can start just probably practicing 1 or 2 dialects.
Like
Maybe start
what?
with Balinese.
Balinese.
Like
If you want to
Balinese.
say Selamat malam or good evening, we can say Rahajang Wengi.
Rahajang wangi. I want to ask, what's the Balinese for I am hungry?
Waduh, susah juga ya. That's kind of difficult.
But the bottom line is, I know that it is 8 o'clock already. Actually, it's past 8 o'clock already, so it is 8 o'clock.
It is 8 o'clock, which means
dinner
8
is
o'clock.
ready.
Oh, 8 o'clock.
It's 8 o'clock.
Okay, well, it is time for us to proceed to the buffet stalls that are spread around this peninsula
One
island.
more time, this is Bali Bosa Ethnic Band.
Selamat makan!
Nusantara dance, ladies and gentlemen, give them a big hand one more time.
Yes, we just took you to a journey across Indonesia.
And Nirmala, with the ending of Nusantara dance, the culture night also has come to an end. We hope everyone enjoyed this performance and everything tonight.
Yes, the dancers are still on stage. We invite you to take photos with our talents on stage. And please be reminded to be at BNDCC tomorrow for the Congress.
Yes, it's going to be at 8 a.m. sharp. So
Once again, on behalf of the organizing committee, on behalf of the host, thank you very much for being here at the cultural dinner at Peninsula Nusa Dua.
So ladies and gentlemen, enjoy the rest of the evening and have a memorable time in Bali. I am Arnold.
And I'm Nirmala Trisna. Good evening. Thank you.
Please give it up one more time for Bali
Bosa.